Okay, so AC compressor is removed. This bolt, which goes in here, you can't back it out far enough. You can't get it around the valve cover, so I ended up cutting that in half. Fuck it. So anyway, so I'm looking at this bracket, which holds the idler here, your AC compressor. And I gotta tell you, this is about one of the dumbest engineering designs I've ever seen in my life. Who the hell puts the fuel lines and a coolant line all in, like, intertwined with this bracket? So if you had an issue with this hose or this line, you can't get to it without removing essentially your entire AC system. I mean, that's just crazy. To replace a what? A $2 hose? You're gonna have to what? Remove your AC and charge and, pay for an AC service to take out the refrigerant and then replace it? I mean, really? To service a part like that? I mean, this is just the stupidest fucking thing I've ever seen. So, oh well. That's General Motors for you, I guess. Anyway, stupid design, real pain in the ass. I got the bypass pulley. I'm going to try to put that in next, and we'll see how it goes. But this is a major, major deal. This did not want to cooperate today.